Jai Shri Ram. Sear means parched, arid, A-R-I-D. The land is sear, arid land, parched, dry. Serendipity, accidental good fortune or luck, accidental discovery. A synonym is fortuitous discovery, Fortuitous. So, serendipity means a good accident, something that you have discovered by accident and it goes on to help you, benefit you immensely. That is serendipity, a serendipitous discovery, serendipitous discoveries. So, there was a lovely book I read, the name of the book, written by Richard Wiseman, on good luck. The name of the book is, I think, The Luck Principle or something like that. So, in this book, how to become lucky is the whole idea behind writing that book. And Richard Wiseman writes that we do not take advantage of serendipity. In other words, what Richard Wiseman is saying is that we hesitate to make friends with total strangers, which is what he recommends in the entire book. Which is when we are standing in a queue or maybe at some place where we hobnob, rub shoulders with total strangers, it is good for us to say hello and open up a conversation, because you never know how people might come together with you, form a mastermind alliance, link up with you, and together both of you might benefit. You see? So, you can be playing complementary roles, complementary, complementary, not the complement with the spelling compli. A compliment is a word of praise, but the other word is complementary, complementary. That means serving to complete one another. You see, there can be two people who are incomplete without the other. So, both benefit and together they can synergize and achieve great heights. So, Richard Wiseman has compiled a lot of examples of such things. Two people who come together and the smarter one is actually not the smarter one. That means, a person who is smart enough to understand this principle may not be as intelligent as the other person, but he goes on to make friends and together they benefit. And even this fellow's contribution is much lesser. In the absence of this person, the other person may not be able to achieve all the greatness that he could have, right? So, this is a simple principle. It is not 50-50. It could be 2% or 1%, the other person is 99. This 1% is the catalyst. So, this is a very interesting idea. How to become lucky. Richard Wiseman, I forgot the name of the book. So, it is about good luck. Please, you don't have to read it now that I have told you what it is. So, please make an attempt to meet people, talk to people, total strangers, open up a conversation. You never know how somebody can, join up, get together, and then you might go ahead and do great things together. That is serendipity. Serendipitous discoveries. Actually, there is a mistaken belief that most discoveries in science are serendipitous, but that's not true. Less than 1% of the discoveries in science are serendipitous. They say Columbus discovered America, which is wrong, which is factually wrong, because Amerigo Vespucci or Leif Erikson is the guy who discovered. In fact, in Mahabharata, Babruvahana was ruling America. That's why even in America you will find many tribes which look so very Hindu and Indian. Anyway, let's leave it there. So, in science also less than 1% are serendipitous. Don't labor under the illusion that most discoveries in science are serendipitous, which is not. And why am I telling you this? Because there are essay topics on this in the GRE. A serpentine road is winding, zigzag. Serrated means having a sawtoothed edge. Servile means slavish. Servitude is slavery. To sever the connection is to cut. Severance is the noun form. Sextant is a device which is used to determine a ship's latitude and longitude, but we have better instruments now. To shackle means to chain or fetter and manacle and bind. Sham means a fake. If you describe something as a sham, it is a mockery, it's a fake, it's a pretense. Jai Shri Ram.